Hello all. In this presentation, I will discuss about the current series feedback amplifier using MOSFET 2N7000. The objective of this demonstration is the measurement of input impedance, measurement of output impedance, and measurement of gain with feedback and without feedback. Circuit represent the current series feedback. We know that RS is the feedback component. The feedback terminal and output terminal is not common. That's why it is current topology. And feedback terminal and input terminal is not common. That's why it is a series type of mixing. And that's why we said it is a current series feedback topology. It is a common source amplifier. That's why output is taken from the drain terminal. VDD is applied is 15 volt, and we have applied the input through function generator, a sine wave having amplitude 100 millivolt peak to peak and 1 kilohertz frequency. We have already designed this circuit in the DC biasing of the MOSFET. 2N7000 MOSFET is used. The value of Cin and Cout is 10 microfarad. And the output will be observed on the CRO. Now I will discuss about the how to calculate the voltage gain with feedback and without feedback. AV is the gain with feedback and AVF is the gain without feedback. The switch is there in the circuit. If switch is closed, then this circuit is without feedback, and if switch is removed, then this circuit will be with feedback. We know that with feedback the gain is reduced. So as switch is open, the gain must be reduced, and if switch is closed, the gain will be increased. And that's why the capacitor CS is called as a bypass capacitor, which provides the low reactance path for amplified signal. And if we remove this capacitor, the gain will be decreased. How to calculate the voltage gain with feedback and without feedback? Build a circuit on the breadboard or in the multisim software. Apply VDD is equal to 15 volt. Apply 100 millivolt peak to peak 1 kilohertz frequency input signal sine wave. Measure the output voltage of capacitor. Calculate the gain. The gain is calculated as AV is equal to V0 by V in, and repeat the procedure by removing the bypass capacitor. Now I will simulate this circuit on the multisim software. So this circuit is built in the multisim software. Function generator input is 50 millivolt peak, that is 100 millivolt peak to peak, and 1 kilohertz of frequency is applied. The capacitor, the switch is closed, and now we will simulate the circuit. So here we will get output voltage is equal to 2.67 volt. So this is the output voltage without feedback. Now stop the circuit, open the switch. Now this will be RS will be introduced the feedback, and simulate it. See, the output it changes to 281 millivolt. So this is how we can calculate the gain with feedback, without feedback by formula V0 by V in. Next calculation is measurement of input impedance, RI and RIF, that is input impedance without feedback and with feedback. Connect 100 kilo ohm resistance in series with the input capacitor C in. Measure the output voltage, that is V0 dash, at the output capacitor C out using DSO or CRO, and calculate the input impedance, that is RI is equal to V0 dash upon V0 minus V0 dash into 100 kilo ohm. Repeat this procedure by removing bypass capacitor CS and calculate the RIF. Now I will simulate this in the multisim software. So this R3 is connected to the input capacitor C in. The value of R3 is 100 kilo ohm. Now simulate it with switch is closed. So when R3 is connected, the output voltage is 1.07 volts. This is nothing but this is V0 dash. Now pause the simulation, open the switch and again simulate it. This is V0 dash by using feedback and its value is 112 millivolt. Now put this value in the formula and calculate Ri and Rif, that is input impedance without feedback and input impedance with feedback. Now measurement of output impedance, that is R0 and R0F, that is output impedance with feedback and output impedance without feedback. Connect 1 kilo ohm resistance in between output capacitor C0 and ground. Measure the output voltage V0 double dash at the output capacitor Cout and calculate the output impedance R0 is equal to V0 minus V0 double dash upon V0 double dash into 1 kilo ohm. Repeat this procedure by removing the bypass capacitor Cs and calculate Rif. Now I will simulate this in the Multisim software. Okay, so this R3, that is 1K, is connected between Cout and ground, or you can say it is connected parallel to the output or across the output. Close the switch and run the simulation. This V peak to peak is 1.81 volt. So this is nothing but it is V0 double dash without feedback. Now pause the simulation, open the switch and again run the simulation and calculate V0 double dash with feedback. So it is 191 millivolt. So put this value in the formula and calculate R0 and R0F. So calculate the voltage gain, input impedance, output impedance without feedback and with feedback. So this is all about the current series feedback amplifier and calculation of voltage gain, input impedance, output impedance with feedback and without feedback. Thank you.